our series. Today is the last day of the series this year. The first thing we're going to be doing is opening up the Nativity Advent Calendar from Precious Moments. Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
Can you guys guess what this is? It's the J-Man himself.
It's the J-Man himself.
He's here.
It's Jesus.
It's baby Jesus. Here's where he goes.
It's Yeshua.
There he is.
He's there now.
We got him. As they all came together on the first Christmas day, they sang, "Joy to the world, he shall show us the way."
Luke is clapping.
Clapping.
Clap for Jesus.
Look at Luca clap.
Luca has amazing claps going on. Jesus clap, Jesus clap.
Okay. And now we're going to open up day number 24 in the Precious Snowman's Advent Calendar. This one is a little red peppermint.
Let's finish our tree with some mints of white and red, the colors of Christmas and Santa's sled.
We're only doing 24 days, but they have a day 25 on this, so we're going to open it anyways. Got it. All right. This one is a slip of paper that says Merry Christmas to all. And on the inside, it's nothing.
Merry Christmas to all. May your home overflow with love, light, and laughter to keep it aglow. That does not rhyme at all.
Oh. But I'm going to put it right here.
Yay, that's... Me, 25 is gone. It's a Christmas mystery. Alright, let's open 24. Ooh! Ooh! Last day, we got root beer habanero beef strips. Getting half.
I like the shape of this one.
It's shaped like a bear itself.
After yesterday's turkey, I'm kind of done with turkey at this point.
You don't want some, Mike.
I never really liked jerky.
I want some.
You want some beef jerky?
You want some cheese?
No.
How is that jerky?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Luca.
It's good?
Yeah!
Is it the best one you've had?
Nope. The best jerky that I had this year has to be one of the alligator ones. I'm not sure which one, but I remember those were pretty good.
I think it was a garlic something alligator.
Out of this set, I like the bourbon beer.
And now it's time to open up the last one of the Charm Bracelet Advent Calendar. Oh. I got it. Now I'm going to add this little donut to the end of it. And now it's time for me to open up day number 24, the last one on the Makeup Advent Calendar.
And Emma's gonna do a makeup look where she uses every single one of these products.
In fact, I am not.
Oh my goodness, you're killing it.
How's there so much still in there?
Alright, day number 24 is this one. This is a bluest blue liner. So now it's time to open up the cheese.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
It's up.
Alright, there we go. And that came out.
Through all that, it came out.
This is white cheddar, not aged cheddar. I was incorrect about what was in the last
But
time.
I was right.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That is tasty. Gotta admit.
Here, Mother, you
That's
try
pretty
it.
tasty.
yeah. It's way too dry.
Good cat.
I'm too sick for this.
Best cheese was the Edam.
Yeah, honestly.
I agree.
The Leicester was pretty crumbly. No one was looking forward to it.
You know, I kind of like the Leicester, but it's for a different reason. I think the Leicester would be good on crackers.
And now it's time for us to open up the last PR gift.
What is
this?
Dad?
Wait a minute, there's actually two, I forgot. Okay, this one is a Pippy Pop's Cheeky Puff, and since Micah has left the room, this one is a donate. Thank you, Moose, for the free product.
You guys are never gonna believe what's on this piece of paper! Hello, Kitty's Mama family. We're inviting you all and one friend to Mickey's Christmas party. We hope you have a great time at Mickey's Merry Celebration.
We get to go to Disney!
We're going to Disney?
We're going to Disney.
Oh my gosh!
We are glad you are joining us and hope that your visit will be magical. It is our pleasure to provide you complimentary park passes so that you can experience the magic of the Walt Disney World Resort.
We haven't been to Disney's Christmas party before, but we
Mickey's
do.
Christmas party.
Mickey's very merry Christmas party. We haven't been there before, but we know there are cookie stations around Disney World. So Micah will check those out, and he will get at least 2 cookies.
I will get
cool
one cookie
perks.
and I will eat that one cookie.
So thank you Disney for the free tickets, and thank you the Disney Parks Influencer team for all this wonderful FTC information and for giving us cool tickets. Now roll that beautiful Disney footage.
First cookie stop.
I'll open it.
We're going on the Beebaloo Burger. Yeah.
Hi, we're going on Space Mountain now. More like Space Mountain. Keep that in. Put that in.
Bella. Paige and I are going on It's a Small World.
Say bye, YouTube, Micah.
Bye, YouTube.
Luca. Bye, Luca. He's going.
Have a family-friendly, but not for kids, Christmas.
Have a Kappa-friendly Christmas.
That's exactly what we want to do.
Okay, bye!